Hello guys, over $10,000 made by students trading Jump 75. Okay, over $10,000 made by students trading Jump 75. I'm really happy to see all these results. You guys are wonderful. I'm really happy to see that you guys are actually watching my videos. You guys are learning from my videos and you are milking the market successfully. I'm really happy that I'm able to duplicate my results, okay, in you guys. If you are just watching my video for the very first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche, okay? So feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you go live on your real account. This is very, very important. And if you have any question at all about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Okay guys, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, you are missing a lot. Okay, just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly before we go, okay, let's go straight into what we have for today. I For the past few days I've been creating video content on Jump 75. Okay, Jump 75 is one of the latest assets you can trade on Deriv. Okay, MT5 on MT5, right? So it's one of the assets you can trade, and I see it. I tried it out for a few days, and I noticed that it works almost in the same way with Volatility 75, and it helps us even to make more money easily, okay, without any stress. Okay, so I started creating video content on it so that you guys can understand the same way, or can use the exact same way I have been using to make lots and lots of money on this, okay, with this particular asset. Okay, you've seen my video of where I made $2,000. You've seen that of $1,000, and you've seen that of $4,000 plus. Okay, so people have been asking me if I'm actually the only one making money like this. So I decided to create a video, I think in my last two videos, and I gave you guys some assignment to um try it out on your demo or your real account. Okay, to practice it on your demo account first before going into your real account. I always say that in all my videos. Okay, so I'm really happy that I've seen students already trying it out already. Most of them are really milking the market already, and I'm really happy that you guys are doing very, very well. And a couple of them have been able to duplicate my success story. Okay, guys, you are not totally successful if you are not able to duplicate your success story into another person. Okay, only when you are able to duplicate this, that is when you will be able to say that you've invested in people, okay, around you. Okay, so that is when you can really be totally fulfilled as a successful person. Okay, that is my own personal opinion anyway. So that is why I have been taking my time to share most of the secrets of trading, okay, of my successful trading journey to you guys, okay, on my channel. Only those that refuse to practice before going into the real account will be the one to complain, okay, and I have very, very few of them. Okay, I have a lot of them who have practiced very well, and I have a few of them who don't even practice and still and are still successful with the trading activities. Okay, they just went straight into the live account and they are still successful, even though I don't encourage that. But there are some of them that still do that and they still make profit, good profit with it. Okay, the only thing they just need to do is just to make sure they understand everything I have highlighted in the video and follow the instructions. So that has been the story, and I'm really happy to hear from you guys. I got lots and lots and lots of messages, lots of screenshots, people that have not even make any money at all in trading or online, and they've been able to make some money, okay, out of this strategy which I shared just few days ago. And I'm really happy that you guys are really doing well. So I'm going to be sharing some screenshots, and I'm going to be showing you guys how they actually came about all these results. Okay, so let's quickly go straight into that. Okay guys, I will start with the screenshot now. Okay, you can see I started like this particular person says that he started. Okay, let me read it out in his own words. Okay, I started with the trend, and the trend is still running, still going, sir. Okay, you can see this particular person has actually earned with 0.3 lot size. You can see that it's trading jump 75. He has earned $1,000 here, $1,200 here, and two. There's another order placed again with a lesser um lot size, two, giving him $208. Then this is $19. Okay, I was really pleased to see this result, so that is why I gave these remarks. Okay, so guys, anyone can actually do this. What you just need to do is just to follow the simple instruction I have highlighted in my videos, and you will make the market successfully. So let's check out more results. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, sorry. Let's check out more results. Okay, check out this particular person also milk the market. You can see the first order here is on -2. Okay, that was still fresh. Definitely, I believe this will also get into profit. Check out this particular person actually used the smallest lot size. Okay, and check out at this stage he actually made $29. Then there's another one with $29 again, $29.87. Then there's another one with $4,682, guys. $4,682. So that is amazing, right? Yeah, that is amazing. So this is another one. You can see with jump 75, this person in total is making $1,500. Okay, $1,500. So let's check out this person. This person on this particular order has made $695. Then this is another $110, and this is another $17. Okay, guys, I got so many messages like this, and I was really happy that people are really taking advantage of some of this training that I'm putting on videos on my channel. Okay, if you guys have not been practicing any of this, or you've not been using it in your trading activities, then definitely you are missing a lot. Okay, you guys need to go back to my channel and watch some of my videos so that you will know how to trade successfully. But I always advise that you practice first on your demo account before you go straight to your real account. Okay, this is very important, because that way you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, that way you will be able to milk the market successfully, and I'm really happy that these guys actually took advantage of it, and they've been milking the market successfully. So I'm going to share with you the secret of what they have been doing. Okay, there is no other secret, no hidden secret anywhere. They have only been following the simple example of what I explained to them on this channel. Okay, what I explained to them on this channel, and I will also be explaining the same thing in today's video, so that you guys will understand every step on how to go about it. Okay, it is very simple, very easy to do. Okay, all you just need to do is to understand that this asset is a trend trading asset. Okay, once it is a trend trading asset, all you just need to do is to be able to identify the trend of the markets. I'm trying to tell you all this in case you are not having the same indicator I'm using. Okay, you can always use your technical analysis to get this if you are good with this. Okay, you don't need to have the exact indicator I'm having. Okay, so so that you guys will not be limited to whatever you can do. Okay, right now I'm using the QDC scripper indicator, but these are some of the things you need to trade this asset. You need to be able to identify the exact trend of the market, because once you know the exact trend of the market, you will be able to make the market successful. Know your support and your resistance level. Once you know your support and resistance level, then you will know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, so these are the things that you need. Okay, these three things: know your trend, know your support and resistance level, then you know your entry point and existence level. All these three things work in line with one another. Okay, so guys, that is the reason for using my QDC scripper indicator, because it makes it very easy for me to do my analysis. You can see down here is my trend. Okay, I love using this particular trend. This is also a trend trading asset, I mean indicator, and this also is a trend trading indicator, but this and these are for short period, while these are for long period. So I love using the long period because I want to look at the future of the market for a very long time. Okay, so that is what I'm trying to look at. So I love this. Then the reason for loving this is that it gives me notification ahead of time. Okay, ahead of the exact time it's going to happen. Okay, you can see the drop down arrow here. It was an uptrend before, but when the drop down arrow came out, it shows that I should close my uptrend, then I'll be getting ready for my downtrend. And once I see my sell signal on my main charts here, then definitely I place my order immediately and I start milking the market with it. It might not go straight into that direction immediately, but it will definitely go straight into it. That is what gave birth to the four aspects of, four key points you should look into, which is the lot size. Okay, there is a particular place where the guy was using where a particular guy was using a very small lot size. Okay, and he noticed that okay, using that small lot size helps him to stay in control of the market than using a big lot size. Okay, if you use a big lot size and the market is not going fully into that direction immediately, then definitely the loss you will be seeing will be so big that you will be so scared that you might lose all your money, even though if it is still going to go into that particular trend. I must tell you this: it is always difficult to find an asset switching from one direction to another. Even if it's you, if you are running in that direction, in one direction, let's say you are running in one direction and you want to switch over immediately, you find it difficult to switch over immediately. Okay, that is human for you. Okay, you won't be able to switch over with that same speed immediately. Okay, so you find it difficult to do that. Let's say you are driving a car and you are driving straight and you want to turn around immediately. It's going to take some effort before you can do that successfully. Okay, so the same thing is applicable here. Something that is coming on a full speed on uptrend and you want it to go straight into downtrend immediately, no, it's not going to do that immediately, guys. So you should know that there will be some hiccups around here before it will eventually break out from that support level and move straight into the downtrend or into the new trend that it is going into. Okay, so guys, you should always have this at the back of your mind. So with this, you should remember your lot size. Okay, your lot size is very, very important. Check out this this trend. This particular trend actually started from here, but there is a calculation based on this on which this trend will be showing. Okay, so let's say it's even started from where it is right now. Okay, the trend started from here. Let's say it started from here. Check it out. It went on uptrend till this level. This is 5-minute time frame. You can see the number of candles you will have earned from. Okay, it went from here to this level. Okay, you can do your calculations, guys. It's very easy. It's very easy. This is straightforward. Okay, it's very easy. You guys will enjoy it when you understand the way this works. Okay, I'm going to do the calculation. Let me see if I can get it good. I can get a full capture of the old trend. Okay, starting from here and closing right here. Okay, closing when the trend is changing. Okay, so we're going to do the calculation right now. Okay, remember this is 5-minute time frame. This is 5-minute time frame. Okay, this is 186 candles. Okay, 186 candles. So let's do the calculation. 186 candles times 5. Okay, we want to know the number of minutes spent. That is 930 minutes, guys. 930 minutes. Now divided by 60 to know the number of hours spent in the market. That is 15 hours, almost a day. 15 hours being in pure profit, guys. 15 hours being in pure profit. That is amazing. Okay, now let's do the calculation. Let's say we are earning $1 per minute, okay, or $2 per minute, or 2.5, okay, 930. Let's say, depending on the lot size, let's say we are earning $2.5 per minute times 2.5, okay, because it pays more. Okay, this particular asset pays more. Okay, that is about $2,325, guys. $2,325. Let's say it is even 50 cents we are earning per minute. Okay, 930 times, okay, don't let us use 50 cents, because 50 cents will just be like half of this. Okay, let's use 0.2, 20 cents. Okay, 20 cents per minute. Let's say that is what you are using, based on maybe you use the smallest lot size and you are earning 20 cents per minute. That gives you $186. That's cool, right? That's cool. $186. It's a lot of money, guys. It's a lot of money for a day. Okay, now you can do your multiplication using a very small lot size and you are achieving this. It's cool, right? Let's do that for 30 days. Let's say this is even what we earn for 30 days. That is $5,000. $5,580. That is amazing, guys. So that is how it works. It is as easy as that. Okay, check it out. The trend started from here and finished here. Okay, it finished here, but check out, when it finished here, it started a downtrend. So a downtrend have started right there, and check it out, it is still going down. It is still doing what? Going down. Okay, guys, that is the simple strategy these guys applied. Okay, and they've been able to milk the market successfully using this strategy. Okay, you can use it on 5 minutes and you can use it on 15 minutes, and you will make the market successfully. So you guys can also try today. Okay, you can try today. If you're unable to to say vividly that this is the beginning of the trend, this is the ending of the trend, or probably this is my support and resistance level, or maybe this is my entry point and my exit point, then definitely you might be having a little issue. Okay, then you need a custom made indicator that can give you all this. Okay, most especially if a particular custom made indicator can supply you with all of this on a single chart, then you are good to go. Okay, if you don't have anyone, you can get the QDC scraper indicator so that you can be able to use it successfully and trade this asset. Okay, for those that are having this particular setup on my system, I want you to practice again. If you are yet to practice, I want you to do more practice today. For those of you that have been earning with it, keep on earning with it and make sure you are milking the market successfully. Do not stay away from the rules and regulation guiding all these. Okay, the same thing that has been giving you the same result, that has been giving you $4,000, $10,000 in the likes, let it continue to guide you into success. Do not be too smart about it. Do not come in when you are not supposed to come in, when the signal is not, when you are not getting the signal, or when the signal is not clear. Do not say you want to risk anything, because anything you are risking can take lots and lots of money away from you guys. So make sure you do the right thing and make profits with this. That is the main essence of this video. Okay, just for you guys to make profits. When you guys are making profit, I'm always happy, because it shows that I know what I'm doing. Okay, it shows that you guys are also learning from everything I am doing. Okay, so that is the way it works. I'll be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.